Many companies are moving from paper inspections to an EDVIR system, which is a great first step, but there's so much more that you can do. You want to be able to have a system that's going to talk to your maintenance system and be able to have many connected features together. Many features that you're going to want to look for your ELD provider and your maintenance system is one that's going to talk to each other. The real benefit to this is because many features of automation are going to be built around that. Odometer pulling and being able to send the odometer readings and engine hours from your ELD provider into your maintenance system is going to make your life a heck of a lot easier. No longer are you going to be looking at an Excel sheet at what asset's going to be due, when's this truck in for an oil inspection. This life is going to become so much easier when you have these connections and these two softwares talking to each other. More features around automation are extremely important for a bridge between your ELD provider and your maintenance provider. One such as an EDVIR bridge is going to become super important to your organization. Having your drivers fill out inspections through the ELD tablets and having all of that information come into your maintenance software is super important. The main benefit to this is as it's getting fixed, the work order, the information, the causes, the corrections from your CMMS software is going to go back to the driver, completing that full audit circle. A final must-have feature is geofencing. Being able to know what's in your yard or in the vicinity is going to make your life dramatically easier. Imagine this, not having to go searching or calling anybody to know where this truck is or trailer is so you can do that inspection. Looking at a system and knowing what's in your yard immediately is going to save you countless hours of searching and headaches. These are the major must-have features that you're going to be looking for when you're choosing your next CMMS software system. If you have any questions, please visit our website or reach out to us directly. We'd be happy to help.